This is the Linedriver by Gerber. So the Linedriver really was born on the river. A friend and I were fishing and we found ourselves changing flies out so often to try and catch picky fish that just the actual act of tying a knot became this burdensome ordeal. We got back to the truck, found the first piece of paper we could and sketched it out, and the Linedriver was born. The dual-ended Linedriver has 6 essential functions, starting out with the hook vise. So what the hook vise actually allows you to do is not hold the hook with your fingers. The tool does it for you, and it also allows you to spin the hook while you tie the knot. When you're done tying the knot, you've got something besides the hook to hold on to while you're cinching it home. In addition to the hook vise, there's an eyelet clearing spike that you can knock paint out of jig head eyelets and get old line out of your flies as well. Tethering point and a pocket clip keep it close at hand and secure to your body. The line cutter on the Linedriver both allows you to use it as a conventional line cutter. This has dual serrations for tougher situations like larger diameter line. There's a lockout function on the Linedriver that actually closes the line cutter part way so that you're able to drag line through it quickly and cut line without actually touching the tool. The line cutter also turns into a nice little pair of pliers to crimp down split shot. I've also used it in a pinch to knock barbs off of hooks. On the same end as the line cutter is a hook threading device. It gives you a funnel to make it a lot easier to thread fine line through small eyelets. It really speeds up the process. The faster you can get a fly or a lure onto your line, the more time it spends in the water and the better chance you have of catching a fish. The approach that we took with the Linedriver is the same approach we take with a lot of multi-tools. It is designed specifically for line management. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Wild River by CLC is excited to introduce the Multi-Tackle Large Backpack. This fishing tackle bag is designed with the sportsman in mind and is the ultimate solution for your tackle storage needs. This backpack has large adjustable padded shoulder straps along with a sternum strap that allows for all-day comfort, while the bottom of the bag has base pads to reduce wear and keep your bag dry. The bottom cover folds down to provide a convenient work surface. The lower tray compartment fits up to 4 3600 style trays. The large upper storage area can fit up to 6 3500 style trays and allows for storage for all your extra gear. The clear internal pocket helps keep your license and maps visible but dry. And if the main compartments aren't enough, there are multiple side pockets for even more storage. With this bag, you will be sure to have room for all your gear you want by your side. And at the end of the day, when you're done fishing, you can fold down the center divider and convert your backpack into a hiking, hunting, and camping backpack. This backpack is truly made for the outdoorsman wherever you go. Wild River Multi-Tackle Series Tackle Bags by CLC.
Have you ever thought to yourself, maybe you should quit tearing up the grass so much? Or did you ever think you should be a little more gentle with your stuff? Maybe get one of those fancy fishing shirts with a collar. Or you could buy a real slick bass boat with all that sparkly paint like the pros have. Or what about only fish for trout? Forget bass even exist. Did you ever think about that? Maybe you could get one of those electric chainsaws because they're quieter. You could go buy one of those fancy fire pits instead of the old barrel. You ever thought about eating more vegetables? Maybe eating a little less meat? Yeah, that's what I thought. Neither have we. Ugly Stik. Sensitive, so you don't have to be.
Intex Excursion Pro Kayak. Super tough laminate material with a polyester core for high strength and durability, ensuring high impact and abrasion resistance, while retaining lightweight and portability. High pressure inflation provides extra rigidity and stability, with high pressure spring-loaded valves for easy inflation and fast deflation. 3-ply super tough construction employs a high molecular PVC that is unaffected by gasoline, oil, and saltwater. It is highly resistant to damage from abrasion, impact, and sunlight. It also permits more air pressure for rigidity. Includes 2. Specially designed removable skews for optimal maneuverability through deep and shallow waters. 2. Floor-mounted footrests. 2. Integrated recessed fishing rod holders. 2. Adjustable bucket seats. Removable and adjustable mounting bracket for additional accessories, such as GPS systems, fish finders, swivel fishing rod holders, etc.
Garmin Striker Plus 5 CV Fishfinder with CV20TM Transducer 010 to 01872000. Garmin Striker Plus 5 CV Fishfinder with a bright 5 display and built-in GPS features Garmin Chirp Traditional Sonar, Garmin Chirp Clearview Scanning Sonar, and Quick Draw Contours Map Drawing software, which stores up to 2 million acres of content with 1 contours. The built-in GPS lets you mark and navigate to waypoints and shows your boat's speed. Nobody knows the waters you fish better than you and your fellow fishermen. While you are trolling the shorelines and the depths, Quick Draw Contours mapping software creates HD fishing maps of the places you've been. No special knowledge is required. Garmin Striker Plus 5 CV can now store up to 2 million acres of your Quick Draw Contours maps with 1 contours. The Striker Plus 5 CV Fishfinder includes Garmin Chirp technology combined with Garmin Clearview Scanning Sonar for a nearly photographic white image.